Hello everybody, it's Councillor Shaun Davies, leader of Telford and Wrekin Council. Hopefully you had a okay and healthy weekend. Firstly, it's really important to say that the social distancing rules still apply and we must adhere to them. There's been reports, unfortunately, of people not necessarily following those rules as robustly as they ought to be, having picnics on green open spaces, maybe going down to Iron Bridge and spending quite a significant amount of time down there, and other examples. It's really important, of course, that we continue to keep our social distance and only leave home for the reasons that the government have said. Of course, we do need to exercise, and I ask that you do that as safely as you can so we can keep the spread down. We have had another really busy week at the council, and we look forward to a busy week ahead. Over 95% of the applications that we've received for business support have now been processed, and we're now towards the top end of 70% of businesses that are eligible to apply have applied. We'll be contacting those businesses that haven't applied, urging them to do so. At the same time, we're asking government to go further and faster in terms of the support that are offering those businesses that are falling between the cracks. We've also been in touch with the government over the weekend about the openings of the house recycling centres, or the TIPs, in Telford and Wrekin. As you all know, government have said that you should only leave home for various reasons, and non-essential travel should not happen. And going to your local TIP is non-essential travel. We're really keen to ensure that if household recycling centres can open, they are opened as soon as they can be, but ensuring residents are safe and, importantly, our staff are safe. So we're lobbying government to ensure that once they say that they can be opened, we will open them. But we can't just do this off our own back. Firstly, it's against the rules because it's non-essential travel. But secondly, if we become the only council in the Midlands to open our CRCs, our community recycling centres, then of course lots of people from outside Telford and Wrekin will be accessing them, and that doesn't help anybody. So please be assured that is on our radar. But can I just say, there's absolutely no excuse to fly tip. And those people that are fly tipping, if there is the evidence, we will prosecute you for fly tipping. Let's keep Telford and Wrekin green and clean. Do the right thing, store the waste at home for now. It's only a temporary issue, and we will get those tips open as soon as we can. I want to say a big thank you to our Army and our armed services. As we approach the VE Day next week, we will ensure that we are virtually celebrating and marking the occasion. Tomorrow will also be the International Workers' Day, where we will remember all of those people who have died whilst at work. That is always important, always important to remember those people who have died in the workplace, but never more so than now, as we see healthcare professionals and other workers dying at work as a result of the COVID pandemic. So please do join with us for the minute silence, and we will be saying more on that as a council in the coming hours. Thursday, of course, is the Clap for Heroes and NHS Staff Day at 8 o'clock, and we will be making sure we're marking that in a very special way, so please keep your eyes peeled for that. As always, the council is here for you. If you have any questions or queries or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us, and we can do all that we can to support you, our community, at this most difficult of times. Stay at home, protect the NHS, and save lives. It's not just a saying, it's a really, really important thing to do. So please do follow those rules. Thank you.